Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the beautiful coastal town of Calpe, in a beautiful residential area called Cometa. I'm going to be showing you what my heart sings of always, a classic Mediterranean. This particular villa is on a plot of 1,400 square meters and the villa itself is 336 square meters. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, also offers beautiful spaces for a large family to live in and also experience spectacular and spellbinding views of the surrounding landscape. So let's begin the tour. Taking you from the entry, from the street to your front door, you see this beautiful entry which is a classic Mediterranean inspired with the natural stone walls, and this is very quintessential of the architectural design in this area, but also for Calpe. So if you come on in, and as you can see, this is a very spacious entry terrace that does surround the home. It's beautiful in the sense that you've got terraces and gardens that we're going to explore. So here, going across this terrace, you can see that this would be your entry terrace. It gives you a good indication of the architectural design of the home. You can see that it has curved windows, classic Mediterranean wrought iron bars on the windows, and also natural stone walls and fences that border, can I just say, the most spectacular and spellbinding views of Calpe. There you can see the beautiful mountains, you can see the rolling cascading hills, and how green and dense with vegetation this location really is. So now I'm going to take you to explore the gardens some more, as they do perimeter the home, and they have been adorned with local plants and trees that are rather mature, but you do still have lots of terraces that make it still very minimal maintenance. This would be the main terrace area where you would spend a lot of your time outdoors enjoying it with your family. So as you can see, you have plenty of space for outdoor lounging. You also have this fantastic and well-equipped outdoor kitchen, which gives you counter space, storage cabinets, you have your barbecue there, your kitchen sink here. It's roofed and very Mediterranean. And then we're going to go around to go and have a look at the swimming pool area, which is also where you would be sun lounging on a lovely warm day. So this swimming pool is 10 by 5 square meters. It does have steps that lead down from one end and gently slope down, giving you a deeper end on one side. All overlooking that fantastic backdrop, you also have a chill out zone here to my right, and also even more terrace space over there to my left. Going up the steps, I'm going to show you another area that is outdoors, that comes part of the home. And we get to also look at some more of what the house looks like on the outside. So going up the stairs, and I'm taking you to where there would be another entry point for the home with your vehicle. Okay. So here I've arrived at this very bright and well illuminated driveway. This would be your electric gate that would open to allow your vehicle entry. You would drive down here and have an expanse of terraces yet again that you can enjoy. So what you also find is over the way, this is a fruit tree garden area, and it also does give you stairs that allow you access to go back down where we came from towards the swimming pool, the outdoor kitchen and the outdoor living area. Coming up the stairs to the main entrance to this home, you will find that it is distributed on 2 floors and is ideal for an extended family as well because there are different points of entry. On the upper floor, which is the main floor, we're coming in through the front door and we are immediately met by this bright, cosy and very inviting open living room and dining room. The space is really quite exquisitely designed in their style, and I do love the pop of colour. You have a ceiling height in this space of 3.3 metres, and the actual living space is just under 40 square metres. As you can see, I do love as well how it is well illuminated with sunshine in this room, as this entire wall space is windows. And can I just say, through the curtains you can see the beauty and the splendour of the spaces of the gardens as well. Taking you from the open living room area into the dining area. This dining table space is set to dine 4, but as you can see there is space for a larger table should you want it. Now coming into the separate kitchen, this kitchen is a whole lot of fun, very colourful. I do love the iridescent backsplash that they have gone for, but it still is a very functional kitchen. The kitchen itself offers 15 square metres of space, again is well illuminated with large windows letting in those exquisite views. And it's done again in the round system, as you can see here. It's kind of got this round curve that the architectural design of the home actually has on the outside. On one side you have a breakfast bar space. Your counter spaces continue with storage cabinets underneath. You also have your Siemens working hob for your cooking as well as your extractor above. More cabinetry. Here you also have your kitchen sink, the dishwasher, your oven, more countertops on top, and then just in front of me you also have the refrigerator. Coming out of the space back into the living and dining room, and the floors on this level are also marble stone, which is really comfortable underfoot. This would be the area in which you could enter through the other front door that enables you entry into this main floor level. And then to my right is the main guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. Next to that, you then also have another room that they are currently using as their laundry multi-purpose room, but it could quite easily be a small bedroom. This space offers 11 square metres. Now coming back into the hall, I'm now going along the way and I'm going to take you to the primary suite. This bedroom is 20 square metres. It has a lovely interior feel with its cosy colours and also gives you great illumination with a balcony, patio doors on one side and also another window in the corner. You have along one side your integrated wardrobes, as well as a door here coming out of the master suite that leads to the bathroom. This bathroom again is very inviting and is fully equipped. The ground floor level is where the house gets rather interesting, as it has been split into 2 very cosy and fully functional apartments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one. So we would go through this door. And as you come on in, it immediately enables you to enter the main living area. This living space is 20 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.6 metres throughout the space on the ground floor level. As you can see, it has windows to let in natural light and leads through this hallway to the rest of the living space. So as you come in through the hall, you find that it leads you to the fully equipped kitchen, which has a similar feel. It's curved, it has a breakfast bar. It also is installed this time around in the kitchen itself with a washing machine, sink, but you also have all of your cooking appliances as you would need it. Next to that, you have the main bedroom. This bedroom is 13 square meters. It has integrated wardrobes on one side and also large windows that let in light on the other. And then also along this hall, you have a fully equipped bathroom, which is ever so cute, to be honest. I do like that. So as you're exploring this home, you're probably thinking to yourself, an apartment here, an apartment there. I'm about to show you another That's Why. It's basically ideal for a family. Let's say you've got your children living with you, they're a little bit older, you've got your parents living with you, you don't really want them next to you. You've got spaces for everyone to live in and be happy, all under the same roof, but not quite. So I'm going to take you now into the second apartment that's on the ground floor. And this apartment I do really like because it's bright, it's well illuminated, and it's just so inviting as you enter. This living space is just under 40 square meters. It comprises of an open plan living room, dining area and kitchen. You find that this kitchen nook again is very inviting. It has a fully equipped kitchen sink. You also have a refrigerator, a cooking hob, as well as a little extractor fan and storage cabinets and countertops to use at your leisure. This room gives you great views of the garden and the terraces. As you can see, that can be accessed very easily through the patio doors. And then we come into the hall, and I'm going to show you first of all the bedroom that comes in this apartment. This bedroom is light and bright. It is 13 square meters. On one side you have a door, a patio door that leads out onto the terrace, and then you also have your wardrobes. Along the hall, you will also find to the left would be the main bathroom. This bathroom is again a rather spacious one. It gives you a fully equipped bathroom that even has a sink and a large vanity, as well as a separate toilet. In between both of those spaces, there is also another space that would probably be perfect to use as a dressing room. So now I'm going to show you is another space that is, again, been adapted to suit the needs of the family that live here, but it gives you a possibility of different options also. This is, under normal circumstances, what would be the garage, but the owner have actually turned it into another self-contained apartment. So, as you come in through the main entry hall, you are again met with a bright, welcoming, inviting and Mediterranean-inspired space. The flooring in this space, you will see, is of terracotta stone. The actual open-plan living and dining area that we are in is 27 square meters. You have patio doors on one side that enable you access to the terrace and also to the easy accessible driveway. But then you also have, from this space, it takes you to the fully equipped kitchen. This kitchen is bright. It gives you views of not only of the landscape, but also of your gardens, and again has all of the kitchen appliances for you to be able to use it at your will. From the kitchen, you have access to the main bathroom, which is fully equipped and also rather spacious. So coming back into the kitchen and through into the living area, you also, to the other side of the living area, have a space that they have decided to use as a bedroom. This bedroom is 10 square meters and it gives you another additional space for your family to sleep. Just 7 minutes in the car has brought us to Playa Arenal, which is one of the most iconic beaches right here in the heart and the town of Calpe. This beach is stunning. It goes on for kilometers. It has crystal clear waters, beautiful golden sands. It's a rather peaceful promenade, but well established with shops, cafes, restaurants, and bars to while away the time. As you can see, it attracts all ages, all styles. And what's wonderful about it is it's family friendly, it's blue flag, and has plenty of on-site facilities for you to enjoy also. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,000 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a classic Mediterranean family home. They've adapted it to their liking by having self-contained apartments, but you could have it as a functioning family home as normal also. What I really like about it is they've put their own little stamp on the interior design, and it does still come with specifications for comfort. This would include underfloor heating on the main upper floor, as well as central heating throughout the entire home, air conditioning hot and cold, electric shutters, an electric gate, LED lighting, and more. So what I also really like about this property is its location. You have spellbinding views in every corner, in every room of this house that you can really appreciate all year round. You also are within close proximity, within 10 to 15 minutes, to beaches, shopping, restaurants, cafes, a wonderful community, and much, much more. And so therefore, I do think that it is really worth looking at, because the price point, along with the home, is well worth it. Anyway, if you'd like to check out the finer details, please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. My name's Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!